if I go to a person to get a need met and I'm continuously unable to get that need met from that person, what I do is I just try to look at the reality of the value that that person does bring to my life. I take that in, and then I go somewhere else to get the need met that I can't seem to get met from that person. I'm not going to continue to go to the hardware store to get strawberries when they don't sell it, because I personally don't like the feeling of being disappointed. And what leads to disappointment better than anything else? Expectations or unconscious expectations that are not based in the reality of the compatibility or the reality of that other person. Trust me, I was not always like this, and I'm not saying that it's perfect, but in the past, oh my God, if I couldn't get a need met from somebody, I would just continue to try to manipulate or control the situation. I would beat my head up against a wall. I would feel totally powerless and helpless, and I would absolutely make it mean something about me, shame, low self-worth, whatever. I've definitely taken somebody's boundaries and preferences personally, and I've definitely had other people take my boundaries and preferences personally or tell me that I'm being too picky or that I'm being too controlling, when the reality is that I actually just really know myself now more than I ever have before. And so I'm not gonna waste my time like trying to get my needs met somewhere that I know I can't get them met.